What's up, guys? How are you all doing, guys? Today I have a webcam. Today a new webcam that I want to unbox right now. I just got it because when I bought my PlayStation 5, then I didn't know that I can stream direct from my console. So I went and buy the webcam. So I'm going to unbox it now. So okay, so let's unbox it together, guys. So that, because I decided to have this one for me to be using it to stream direct from the console, because I want to start stream, okay, so that I can have my face on the stream as well. Okay, guys, so let's unbox it.
Guys, here is the webcam, and something I love about this webcam, it has, this one comes with the 1080p, which is 1080 HD, capture, and it also have background remover, which is really light, and you can grip it to anything, like your monitor. You can grip it to your monitor, so it's really nice. It's not too expensive, this one, but I bought this one close to 55 euros. 55 euros, because we use euros where I live here. Okay, it still have the nylon on the face. So what I found inside, just only this one, and when you are going to use it, it's just like this. You can grab this one to your monitor. You have something like this here. You see, so this thing that it has here, this one you can use it to clip it to your monitor. Just clip it like this, grip it like this.
As you can see, the cable is very long. It's up to about 6 feet. Very long. You have enough room anywhere you want to place it. But for me, I'm going to place this one right now on the top of my TV. I have a very big TV, 55 inches Samsung. That's what I'm using. So I'm going to place it over here now. I'm going to rest it here. So later the day when I'm going to set it up now from the TV, I will now know the direction that I will put it. And mind you, when you are going to plug your USB to your PlayStation, if you place it over here, it's not going to work. When you place it here, it's not going to work. Okay, you are going to place it at the back of the PlayStation, because they have a two USB port over here. It's two. One for mic, why this two is here is one for the mic and one for your webcam. So this is why that one is there. Okay, so here is where you plug it. Here is where you plug it. Okay, you plug it in any one of the two. Okay, when you plug it in any one of the two, the problem is going to work. So just take it and place it up here. So later when you are setting up the camera, so you know how the area you're supposed to put it later. So let us just do it now, see how it will look like inside. Okay, so now you go to setting. We'll go to setting, just only two settings. Let's see, you go to your setting. You go to setting, okay? Setting. From your setting, you come down straight down to capture and broadcast. Okay? Capture and broadcast. From there, you go to your broadcast. When you go to your broadcast, like so, then you come down to your camera. Okay? Now you can see you are going to turn your camera on. Okay, turn it on. So let's see what. As you can see, I turn it on right now. You can see me inside. Okay, you can see me now. I'm inside. So I have too many lights around here. See, my ring light is already inside. So now when we are going to go straight to how you can size it, small, you can small size, medium size, large size, like medium. This is the medium. Okay. Then large. This is the large. This is large. The camera is not bad, but the camera is not bad. It's very clean. Refocusing on your face. So this one says refocusing on your face. So by default. So what I'm going to do here right now, as you can see right now, is just like that. In fact, I will make the other program later. You can do anything you want to do here. You can set yourself if you want to reposition your face anyhow you want it. You can do it. As you can see, I'm very clean inside here because now the camera is very far from me. So this is large. See, you can see everywhere in the room. Very large, very clean. So let me put it on medium. So it has also a chrome. I think it has a flip horizontal. This one it also have a effects. It has brightening. If you want to brighten it, I don't want to touch anything right now because the setting is very okay right now. I don't want to touch it. And clipping mask also. Clipping mask like this. This is clipping mask. As you can see, this one you can click. It depends. Square cutout. This one and also. But that I like this one also. This one is nice. So you can just use. Let me say auto key. If you just auto key now, you see auto key. It's like trying to remove what's in my back. No, I don't like this one. It has chroma key when you have a green screen. So I'm going to fix the green screen on my back later. So I will fix the green screen on my back later. So to frame it so that it will be very clean inside later. So this is what we have inside right now. So guys, I'm going to test it on a video game now when I'm trying to go live. So what you need to do, you have to go like you want to start streaming. So you click on this, you click on your share button. When you click on your share button, the share button on your steering wheel, whatever you want to play, like in your, I'm using right now, I am on my Logitech steering wheel. What I mean, you press here, you hold this button for a long time. You hold this button, you hold it for seconds before you can see, when you see this display over here. So you come to the other side, broadcast. When you click on your broadcast, then you press the star, you press the S button. You see, I already have my program of yesterday, so we are going to go live now. Okay, so let me see. I'm going live now. Okay, as you can see, I'm going live, like it's private. So now I'm broadcasting. You see, now broadcasting, you see, yeah, can you see myself over there? Because I use the green screen to take out the background, my background. As you can, don't mind the ring that you see there. So now this position that my camera is not where what I really like, because yesterday it was blocking too many things yesterday. when I was using it. So I'm using this opportunity now to place it at the down there. So this is where I will leave it for now, because I know it's going to block my, you know, let me show you what I mean. So now let me show you what I mean. So now I'm going to start the game. I'm starting the game. So I will leave it there. Now it's going to be permanent there. Throughout this video now, it's going to be there. As you can see right now, it's going to be there. So it's not going to move again. Immediately I press my S button, it's not going to, this is where it's going to be permanent for the rest of the stream. So watch now. You see now, I am ready now. So it's there. It's not going to move out from there anymore. This is the way I look at. This is the way, look at me here on the green screen. See me on green screen. I put it at the corner, which is very nice, very clean. I love it. This is me, as you can see. So you can place it in different angles, like eight places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places in your screen. 8. Anywhere you like, you can put it. So this is how I look at it. It's very clean with the green screen. With green screen, it's very clean, as you can see. Guys, I hope you guys do understand how I did the setup. So thanks for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to be giving you this channel, going live on this channel. Also, I want to be doing live. This is why I bought this webcam. See, okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, comment. If you have any question, leave it down there in the comment section. So I'll get back to you. Thank you.